Voltage curve extended. This is where we left off from the other video. And before we go any further, I would like to revise this statement after doing a bunch of other tests from 6750 to 6250. What you're seeing above is the entire output from MSI Afterburner voltage curve. Using the revised collected data from new tests I've done, shown here on the right of the screen, I have manually created an extended scope. You are more than welcome to use this for your personal use. Let's plot them points. Join them all up. And plot them. Back to the original voltage curve display and have the MSI Afterburner interface open. For the sharp-eyed amongst you, there's actually a line displaying your current frequency, and I've zoomed in a little bit here for you. Now for some fun stuff. Hold the control key and click on a point and move the mouse up and down. When you manually modify the voltage curve inside the voltage curve window, it's displayed here so you know you've done it. See what happens when I click the apply button. This happens because the lowest point can't be lower than the previous point. For us max Q folks, that's below 800 millivolts. Punch the reset button. Now you can actually change an individual point. And can you guess what happens when I click apply? That reset button's getting a lot of use. Now I'm going to show you what I think is the correct way of changing the voltage curve. Use the core clock slider. By using this, it's uniform all along the curve. Also notice that it leaves the original default line on the screen for you to compare with. And that's the end of part 7, voltage curve extended. Big thanks to all you subbers, previous and the recent additions. Thank you very much. Every time I get them, I get a little buzz out of it, and it makes me want to carry on doing more videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why the not?